So my two most asked questions are always, how do you get your hair to be so long in such a short amount of time? And how do you know what to pair clothing-wise with each other? And how do you not repeat outfits? That's basically like two questions that I just said. No, those three. Bad math skills. Three, but I combined the last two into one. So anyways, I'm going to be explaining to you guys the first question, how I get my hair to be so long so quickly, or how I got it to be that way. And if you want me to do my fashion tips video or something like that, just leave it down in the down bar. And I'm also thinking of doing prom tutorials, so if you want me to do that as well, I definitely will. And I'm going to be filming when I do some of my friends' proms makeup. That's going to be going up on this channel, so you guys can see some real life stuff. But back to this video. The 5 products I use to get my hair to be this long. My hair was not this long a year ago, and how I got it to be this long was through these 5 products. So I can't wait to share them with you guys, and let's just get started. I actually mentioned this in my February favorites, but I've been using it for such a long time that I just kind of forgot to tell you guys about it, and that's why it was in that video. But this is the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. It claims to have 5 things that it will fix, and those 5 things are split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, and dehydrated hair. It's kind of like a balm, basically. It's called a damage erasing balm. It's just like a very thick, like almost like a body butter, but for your hair. And you know when you go to the hair salon, you just know that hair salon smell, but nothing you ever use smells like that? Yeah, this smells like this. And I don't really know what to tell you guys basically about all these products, because basically what they all did was just help my hair grow. So it's going to kind of be the explanation for all of them. But this is a good in-shower use. I noticed that my hair is so much softer when I was just using this alone. And I just feel like if you're deep moisturizing your hair, it has less of a chance to be dry. And when it has less chance to be dry, it's less chance to break off and get shorter. So you want your hair to be hydrated in order to grow longer. So this is what I use. Next, after the shower with wet hair, I have 2 products. So one I only use when I'm blow drying my hair, because this is another tip. I do not use heat on my hair at all. I personally am just too lazy to do it. So if you guys want my all no heat hairstyles, I will make a video for that. But I don't use heat in my hair. But when I do, the only thing I would use is a blow dryer. And the blow dryer I use, in blow drying your hair, most people don't know this, but that almost causes as much damage as like straightening your hair or curling your hair every day, because you're just basically directing heat like onto one spot of your hair for a continuously long amount of time. And it really just is truly bad for your hair. So if you are going to do it, I don't really do it all too often. But when I do, I use the Redken Heat Styling Thermoactive Set and Wear O2 Ultimate Blow Dry Lotion. Longest name in the world. But it comes with a little pump, and I love products that come with a pump because it's so much easier to use. But, so this is just going to protect your hair when you blow dry it. Don't think to protect your hair when you're blow drying it, and that's why the hair doesn't grow. So if your hair needs to grow and you blow dry your hair all the time, this next thing I use when I'm blow drying or when I am not blow drying, I spray this on wet hair, and this is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. It has 10 things it does. I'm going to read them off to you. It maintenance of keratin straightening treatments, increases styling manageability, perfect for all hair types, replaces lost protein, protects the natural keratin in hair, protects against heat. So this is a heat protection as well. You can use it on dry hair if you want to. I only use it on wet. Restores hydration balance, detangles, defrizzes, and adds shine, strengthens hair structure, and seals cuticles for extra silky hair. I use this as a detangler as well when I am brushing through my hair when it's wet. It smells really good. It smells like oil. That probably sounds so disgusting. It is actually quite a thick like serum in here, and somehow it comes out when you spray it. Don't ask me. But I just spray this, a ton of sprays in my hair. I spray like 3 to 6 on one side, 3 to 6 on the other. I have a lot of hair. If you don't have that much hair, no need to do that. But this is just amazing because all those benefits are just put into one product. You don't need to use 5 bajillion to get those 10 things. And I have quite thick hair, so it can be very difficult with people with super thick hair to grow their hair. So if I can do it with these products, you can do it with these products. That sounds so cliche, like, oh my god, Courtney, you're on a infomercial. The next thing is super oily and slimy because it's an oil, so I don't want to hold it for that long. So I'm just going to hold it while I say the name, and hopefully you guys catch the view. But it is the one and only Argan Oil. Get it at Ulta for $11. It's like a dupe for Moroccan oil. I used to use that too, and they both work basically exactly the same. That one comes with more, and it's a whole lot cheaper, and that's why I buy it. But it's just like all the other products. It strengthens your hair, and it just adds more shine. I just love my hair shiny. And not greasy, shiny, that's different. I find that the more you nourish your hair with like nourishing products, that's what basically the deep conditioner, the It's a 10, and that oil all do. They're gonna make your hair grow. So those 3 products are like the trinity of hair growth. We should all worship those products because they are the key to last but not least is like a tip and a product combined into one. This was also mentioned in my February favorites. And I recommend not washing your hair every single day. Obviously take a shower every single day because that's just nasty if you don't. But if you put your hair up like in a shower cap or something while you're in the shower, only every other day wash your hair. So then the days you're not washing your hair, put it up in the shower cap. I had to think through that a little bit. But to keep your hair not looking greasy on those days you aren't washing it, you can either wash it every other day or every other 2 days, because even that, like if your hair doesn't get greasy super quick, then it is better to leave it longer without washing it. But once it gets greasy, that's just nasty, girl, and you need to wash your hair. And there's no dry shampoo when it's greasy, super greasy. Only dry shampoo when it's minimally greasy. Anyways, so as I'm introducing the dry shampoo, it is the Batiste dry shampoo. You can get whatever one works for your hair color or whatever scent you like the best, but if you have dark hair, I only recommend the dark and deep brown hint of color one, because every single other one will show up in your hair. This one is dyed brown, so it will look all natural. But the less you wash your hair, the less you're stripping. It's natural oils and like minerals and all that. And so the more that it's longer in there, the longer your hair will grow. So those are my 5 tips and tricks and products that I use to make my hair grow super long. I hope these all work for you, and I hope you try some of them. Like I said before, leave me down in the comments below if you want those videos I mentioned earlier in the video, and I will see y'all real soon. Bye. Oh, confession, I was planning on filming my Perry Edwards Exact Word Up makeup tutorial today, but my eyebrows are a bit hairy. Do not zoom in on them. No, that is a no-no. They need to go get waxed, and I'm not getting them waxed till Saturday, and I don't want to vlog them because then waxing would be pointless. So once they are all nice and clean, like Perry's, that video will be up for all of you waiting for it.